Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Marianne. If you're new here, welcome. Glad you can join me for this video, which is a flip through of my Elizabeth Craft Designs planners in the Sidekick size as well as the A5 slim size. Let's get started. I bought these planners from Craft Online here in Australia. This one is the Sidekick size or personal size, and it has an elastic closure. It measures at 7 1/4 inch by 5 1/4 inch. This color is the desert sand with a cover pattern similar to a snake skin, and it has 6 binder rings. If I compare the size to my Domino Soft personal Filofax, it's the same in length and the same in width. The rings in the Elizabeth Craft Designs are 30 millimeters, while the Filofax personal rings are at 25 millimeters. Let's now look inside. It has an interior pocket on the front cover and one card slot. I added this off-cut laminated sheet and cut it to size to fit in the slot, and added a clear Happy Planner sticker, Start Today, and just popped it in the slot along with this cute penguin paper clip from Daiso. For the cover, I used 2 different cardstock, stuck it together and laminated it. I then added this quote cut from vinyl with my Cricut machine: "If my book is open, your mouth should be closed." Next, I have this monthly planner insert for 2021, which is free from Peanuts Planner Co.'s Facebook group. This page has the full year, and I've written down the books I've read in the corresponding months. And in the monthly spreads, I write down in the days I've read, the name of the book, and how many minutes I read for that day. I have a daily habit goal of reading a non-fiction book in the morning for at least 15 minutes each day. I color each book a different color, so visually I can see how long it took me to read a book, and it also differentiates it from when I finish and start a new book within the same month. So here it's nice to have it highlighted in different colors. I've already printed the monthly planner inserts for 2022, ready to go. These 2 are free from Peanuts Planner Co. Facebook group. This Girl Boss dashboard printable was a freebie from May Plans on Instagram, so check her out too, link below. Now this yearly printable is also from Peanuts Planner Co. and it's available from her shop. I highlight the days I read a book and also mark what percentage of the month I read, so I can try and improve or maintain the habit the following month. And then I just drew this reading tracker on a dot grid paper free from Peanuts Planner Co. and just added washi tapes and planned stickers to make it look like a bookshelf. Next is my reading list tracker. You can get this from my Etsy shop. I'll have the link in the description below. So the column includes the number of books I've read, the book title, the author, when I start reading the book, and when I finish. I also added a 5-star rating column if I maybe want to recommend the book to someone later on. Now these clear dividers are made using laminating sheets and a label maker. The link for that video is up here, so go check it out once finished watching this one. Here is another yearly planner insert from Peanuts Planner Co, and it's a foldable insert, and I note down when I start a book and when I finished it. Again, it's a good visual indication of my reading habits. So hopefully for 2022 I can read more books to help sharpen my mind, which is one of my Wheel of Life areas of focus. My next section in this planner is what I read. I like to have this section open while I'm reading my book and note down key points or any motivational notes I can refer back to later down the track. It's also been a great way for me to practice my handwriting and try out different styles. I print a small version of the book cover either on sticker paper or normal copy paper and glue it on the page. That way I know which book the notes refer to. As you can see, I have written down my notes in various different styles. So recently read Can't Hurt Me and Anything You Want. I'm rereading Atomic Habits to help me with those habits that are yet to stick. I use these clear dividers as page markers, so it's easier for me to flip through to the correct pages. The next section is what I learned. So these notes are the ones I've written down for online courses I've taken, or educational blog posts, or any YouTube videos that are insightful for either my well-being or for the courses I've taken to help me and my husband help us with our younger son, Zach, who is on the autism spectrum. So we want to gain knowledge and tools to help him maintain and cope with any challenging issues that come up due to his special needs. These cute little post-it notes is from Bunbogu, and I just keep it in here for when I need it to flag any important notes. Next, I have my workout tracker. And again, I'm using the Peanuts Planner Co monthly personal inserts. I write down what workout I did for the day, the time it took, and sometimes the calories that I burnt if I'm tracking my calorie count. I like to highlight the workout just so then it stands out on the page. 2022 monthly calendars are all printed out, ready for next year. Plus a spare one for anything else I want to track. And finally, in this Sidekick personal planner, I have a section for the notes I take during my son's speech and occupational therapy sessions. I take notes on the activities and lessons the therapists do, so that way I can recreate it on the days in between our fortnightly sessions. I homeschool my youngest, and you can check out our Instagram page at Zacky's Adventure. This planner has one pen loop on the back cover. So that's the Sidekick planner. Now let's take a look at the A5 Slim Planner. This planner measures at 9 inches by 6 1/4 inch. It has an elastic closure, and here's a comparison next to my A5 Filofax Domino Soft Organizer. The length is the same, but it's about 1/4 inch narrower. The rings on both planners are 30 millimeters. So it's got the interior pocket at the front. Again, I made a card to size and added "Today is the day" clear happy planner sticker and a cute pin from Daiso. This clear cover is a template I use for when I hole punch my planner inserts, and added "Never Give Up" clear sticker on it. And I just cut out a printed cardstock to size as a dashboard for each section. This planner insert is from Peanuts Planner Co. Monthly, but I've customized it to size so that it's about 8.5 inch by 4.5 inch in dimension. So this first section is for my content planning. I'm not yet consistent in my YouTube content. I'm still trying to find the correct timing in between our full-time homeschooling, but when I have ideas, I write them down on these index sticky notes that I bought from Daiso. So if I'm unable to schedule in a video, I can move it around in the month. Here's the index sticky notes. There are 6 of them with lots of flags in each color. They just live in the front pocket of my planner for easy access. So here's the sticky note for this video planner flip through, scheduled for hopefully upload on Sunday 5th of December, fingers crossed. And again, I've printed the monthly inserts ready for 2022. The next sections I have are my sales tracker, as well as my Instagram and YouTube trackers. I track the number of followers at the beginning of the month for Instagram and YouTube, as well as the watch hours on YouTube. And on the monthly spread, I track the number of followers daily. That way I can see any trends that might be useful for future content planning. Here's another divider with a cute, clear "Make It Happen" and coffee stickers. This next section is for my research notes. So if I am looking for things I want to learn about each social platform or anything associated with my side hustle, I write the notes down in here. Next section is for any ideas I come up with that I'd like to do for my social media or for any handmade projects. Then the last section is for me to write down the scripts for my video voiceovers. So there's lots of blank grid pages here. And the back cover also has an inside pocket, which is the same on the Sidekick, plus the pen loop. There you have it, my Elizabeth Craft Designs planners. I'll have the links in the description below of the places and accounts mentioned. Thank you so much for watching. I'd appreciate a like and subscribe, and hit the bell to get notifications on when I upload new videos. Thank you for watching. See you again next time. Bye bye.